In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can enable multi-factor authentication on your LastPass. So you want to go to settings, then here on this tab, select multi-factor options. These are the different multi-factor options available. To enable any of them, you select edit and then change the option to say yes. Now you need to select view barcode, enter your LastPass master password again, and open your Google Authenticator app to scan the barcode. Now select OK, then select update. Now enter your password, enter your master password again to confirm the update. Now here, open your Google Authenticator app. Now here you need to open the Google Authenticator app or whatever app you use and enter the code for the LastPass. Then select OK. Select OK to complete. Now multi-factor has been enabled for my LastPass. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.